So hello guys, hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you the different eyeliner look जो आप लोग अप्लाई कर सकते हो on the different occasions. So I hope आप लोगों को आज का ये segment पसंद आएगा. So let's get started. Let's start it for the first look. This is the simple eyeliner. Now let's get started for the second look. This is the wink liner. I will be applying over it. So this is the second look, wink liner. The third look, I'll be applying the third look over it. This is the double wink liner, so I will be applying over it. This is the first wink, and then you need to do the second wink over its end. This is the look. Double wink plus half kajal look. You can use this kajal too for the half kajal. I'm making the kajal more broader. Now time for the fourth look. This is the cat eye look. So let's see the cat eye look on my eyes, how it looks. First stretch your eyes and then use from this corner. You have to make triangle over here. This is the cat eye look. You all can see that it is pure dramatic eye. I have not applied on this. I'll be showing different look of the eyeliner on this eye. So you can see my eyes. It is looking very gorgeous, as you can see. Now time for the fifth look that I will be showing you on this eyes. This is the broad eyeliner look plus kajal plus eyeliner look. So I will be showing you. Well, first you need to apply the eyeliner over your eyes. is the look. I have not applied mascara over my eyelashes, so you can see the look. This is the cat eye look and this is the broad eyeliner plus kajal look. आई होप कि आज का ये वीडियो आप लोगों को बहुत ही पसंद आया हो और बहुत ही हेल्पफुल हो। मैंने आज आप लोगों के साथ 5 डिफरेंट आईलाइनर लुक शेयर किए जो मुझे लगता है कि बहुत ही हेल्पफुल होगा फॉर द गर्ल्स जो डिफरेंट ओकेजन्स पे वियर कर सकती हैं डिफरेंट आईलाइनर लुक्स। सो थैंक यू गाइज, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियोज़। कीप मोटिवेटिंग मी, कीप वॉचिंग मी एंड प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल। नीचे की घंटी जो है उसे ज़रूर बजाएं। थैंक यू वेरी मच। आई लव यू ऑल।